Let's get prepared.
Get prepared.
Shh.
Listen
carefully
and
pay
pay
attention.
attention.
A beautiful, talented team. We are here again to make a beautiful, trendy sleeve for our cow dress. But I decided to make this a different video to avoid having a very long video and tiresome to watch a very long video. So I decided to make it into two parts so that after watching this, if you like, you still watch the sleeve, but I know you would like to watch it. So give me thumbs up, do comments, and share my channel to friends and colleagues and family. Yes, everybody, just share it. We share it. There's love in sharing. Okay, length of the sleeve is 19. We have 19 here. 19. Get a straight line. Then mark 5 for the shirt sleeve line. Make a straight line here. And by this end, we have 9 inches. I got the measurement from my clients, 9 inches here. And from here, you, in a curvy manner, I prefer using my freestyle freehand, join it here. Then the sleeve width is 10 inches divided by 2. Okay, I just said 9 here. It is 18 divided by 2, which is 9, and here is 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Then I join my lines. This is a beautiful pattern, so we cut it first. Because of the style, I have to measure out 10 for the beautiful opening you are seeing, 10 inches here. Then measure out 2.5. Okay, let's use 2 inches. 2 inches here, as in both of them will now give you 4 inches. I don't want it to be too open like this. Yeah. Just need 2 inches allowance for the bottom side, just 2 inches, and I have 2 inches here. So 2 inches here is 2 inches, and I got to measure 2 inches throughout and notch this allowance here. I'm gonna mark it, make a straight line. From here now, I need just ½ inch here for seam allowance for my distance. Here can I for my collar attachments. Then every other thing here is the same. By this side, I got to add 1 inch seam allowance, and by this down, add another 1.5 for hemming allowance. Hope it is very simple. So this is our sleeve. And from here, I got to measure the leaves, or rather the collar that I'm attaching. This is 11.25, but I'll do it 12 inches to avoid any shortage. Okay, you can see this. I just folded it into 8. I need 4 collars, but I folded into 8 because I want it to be, you know, it's gonna be like this, something like this, because I want it to be folded by the tip. So I want it to come out like this. I mark it. This is the shape. Just give it a little allowance, and from here I'll go this way. So I will sew here, but I'll sew here. a quick demonstration like this. Like this, and it will have button. Can you see? It's beautiful. So give us thumbs up and share with friends and family and everybody. Thank you very much. Don't forget, wait, oh. I would like to see your comments in this comment section below, so make sure you give me a very fine comment. And what else? Okay, if there's any question or any style you still want me to do for you, I am readily available for you. Thank you. Bye.